Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video, mainly because I ran out of ideas for a while. But recently I got a delivery and it was something that I backed on Kickstarter about a year ago, which is the Sonar Pen. So I thought it'd be interesting to make a video about that. It's a stylus mainly designed for iPads and stuff, but it also supports Android and Windows. Basically anything that's got a headphone jack and a touchscreen. So they branded themselves as the world's most affordable smart pen. So I got it for about £20 because I backed it on Kickstarter. But you can get it for I think it's $35 it retails for. So not quite sure on how much that converts to in pounds, but it's pretty reasonable when you compare it to something like the Apple Pencil, which is close to £100. So you can see here the packaging that they've used is quite nice. It's like a traditional kind of pencil case thing, and on the back they've got pictures that have been drawn by people using the pen. And you can see here, like it says, the world's most affordable smart pen, and then they've got the website, which is www.sonarpen.com. So let's have a look inside. Let's put that to one side. So you got like a little sticker here, and again that was drawn on the pen. And then let's see, so you've got the pen here, so you can just pull it out from this tab. So I got the black one, but they do it in like 5 or 6 different colours. So here's the plug, so this will plug into your headphone jack on your iPad or any other device. You can see you've got the nib on the end. It feels like quite a good size and it feels pretty nice in the hand. Let's just put it to one side for a second, see what else you get. So I think this was a promotion for backers at the time. You get an extra nib. You also get this sort of holder, so it's got 3M sticky tape, so you can stick it to the back of your device, and then the pen latches in magnetically. Let's see if I can find out whereabouts. Ooh. Okay, so there's the magnet, so you can see that holds it in pretty tight, which is pretty nice. They do also give it with a lightning adapter, so this is probably what I would recommend using it with, because it's not permanent. I don't know if I can get that in focus there. But you'd basically stick this in the end of your lightning device, and again it's magnetic, so the pen would hold in there. So I'm going to plug it in now to my iPad and give it a go. Okay, so I've got my iPad here. I'm just going to plug it into the headphone jack. The beauty of this is, unlike other Bluetooth styluses and stuff, you don't need to pair it with anything, so it just works as soon as you plug it in. One of the apps that they mention on their website as it being compatible with is Zoom Notes Lite, so I'm going to give that one a go. So if we go to settings here, you can go stylus, Sonar Pen, turn it on. So it does ask for permission for the microphone because that's using the headphone jack, and then you can see it's connected. So there's a button, I'm not sure if you can see me clicking on it actually, but it's just down here, and you can change that to use any of these options basically. And then let's go add a new document. So let's do A4. And then you can just start writing. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's not bad. It's pretty accurate. Let's try some more. It does seem to be missing some letters every now and then. So once you get used to it, it is actually quite decent. I'm not sure I'd be writing long things out, but for notes and sort of quick annotations, it does seem quite useful. So this is an app I used to use with my old stylus, which I don't have to hand anymore. It's called Noteshelf. The thing I like about Noteshelf is you can click on this magnifying glass and you can see a zoomed in view of what you're writing. So let's try this out. It seems to work a lot better in this app, even though it's not officially supported, that's quite interesting. So you can see here it's pretty great. Let's go down to the next line. I'm not much of a drawer, but you can see it's very quick, it's very responsive, it's very accurate. Yeah, I'm impressed. So it seems to work pretty good on the iPad. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm just going to compare it now to the S Pen on my phone, just because that's the only other stylus that I've got available. Okay, so I've got the S Pen here. I'm I'm not expecting it to work as well as the S Pen, because obviously the S Pen is natively supported by the Note and it's designed for the Note. I'll just write the testing a bit. I'm just going to write this test phrase out a few times. Okay, so I'm going to plug the Sonar Pen in now. So you can see, just quickly, it's not bad at all, just considering it's not natively supported by the Samsung Notes app. Well, the results you get from the actual S Pen and from this is not that different. So overall, I'd say this is a pretty good product. I'm not really much of an artist, so I can't comment on how good it is at drawing. But yeah, any thoughts, let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.